Want to earn money with cryptocurrency today? Stick around and we'll show you how. From staking to yield farming, we've got you covered with strategies that can generate passive income in the crypto market. Now, before we dive in, I want to make something clear. I'm not talking about getting rich quick schemes. This isn't about buying a meme coin hoping it'll make you a millionaire overnight. That's just gambling, and frankly, it's a recipe for disaster. This video is about leveraging the power of blockchain technology to generate consistent, relatively passive income streams. Just like you can earn interest on your savings account or dividends from stocks, you can put your crypto to work and watch it grow over time. It's about understanding the different opportunities available and making smart, informed decisions.
Let's kick things off with staking. Imagine this. You have some crypto just sitting in your wallet, doing absolutely nothing. It's like leaving cash under your mattress. It's safe, but it's not growing. Now imagine if you could put that crypto to work, earning you more crypto while you sleep. That's what staking is all about. Essentially, staking involves holding your cryptocurrency in a wallet to support the security and operations of a blockchain network. Think of it like being a mini shareholder in a company. You hold on to your shares, your crypto, and in return, you get rewarded with a portion of the company's profits. More crypto. Now, not all cryptocurrencies offer staking rewards. It's primarily available with blockchains that use a proof of stake (PoS) consensus mechanism. This includes popular options like Ethereum 2.0, Cardano, and Polkadot. The beauty of these platforms is that they've made staking incredibly user-friendly. You can stake your crypto directly through your exchange account or even on a hardware wallet. It's as simple as clicking a few buttons. The returns you earn vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency, the amount you stake, and the duration. Remember, with any investment, it's crucial to do your research. Compare different platforms, understand the risks involved, and never invest more than you can afford to lose.
Next up, let's talk about yield farming. Now, this strategy is a bit more advanced than staking, but it also has the potential to generate higher returns. Yield farming is all about maximizing the returns you get from your cryptocurrency by lending it out and earning fees. Imagine this. You go to a bank and deposit $10,000. The bank then lends that money to someone else at a higher interest rate, say 5%. They pay you a small interest rate, maybe 1%, and keep the difference as profit. Yield farming operates on a similar principle, but instead of banks, we're talking about decentralized finance protocols, or DeFi for short. Platforms like Uniswap and PancakeSwap are popular hubs for yield farming. These platforms allow users to lend and borrow cryptocurrencies without the need for traditional intermediaries. When you provide liquidity to these platforms, you earn a share of the trading fees generated by other users. Of course, higher potential returns often come with higher risks. Yield farming can expose you to smart contract risks, impermanent loss, and the volatility of the cryptocurrency market. It's essential to understand these risks before you jump in. My advice? Start small. Dip your toes into the yield farming waters with a small amount that you're comfortable potentially losing. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually increase your exposure.
Now let's talk about lending. Remember that bank analogy I used earlier? Well, with crypto lending, you have the opportunity to become the bank. That's right, you can lend out your cryptocurrency to other individuals or institutions and earn interest on your holdings. Platforms like BlockFi, Celsius, and Aave have made crypto lending incredibly accessible. These platforms act as intermediaries, connecting borrowers and lenders in a secure and transparent manner. You deposit your cryptocurrency, choose your lending terms, and start earning interest. The interest rates offered on crypto lending platforms are typically much higher than what you'd find at traditional banks. This is because the demand for crypto loans is often higher than the supply, and borrowers are willing to pay a premium for access to liquidity. Now, just like with any other form of lending, there are risks involved. The most significant risk is the potential for default. If the borrower is unable to repay the loan, you could lose some or all of your investment. That's why it's crucial to choose reputable lending platforms with a proven track record of security and reliability. Additionally, diversify your lending portfolio by spreading your funds across multiple borrowers and platforms.
let's move on to another exciting way to earn passive income with cryptocurrency dividends.
Now, you're probably familiar with dividends from the stock market. Companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as a way to reward them for their investment.
Well, guess what? Some cryptocurrencies offer dividends too.
These are often referred to as staking rewards or masternode rewards, but the underlying principle is the same. You hold on to a particular cryptocurrency, and in return, you receive regular payments just for being a holder.
Several platforms and cryptocurrencies offer dividend-like rewards.
For example, some platforms distribute a portion of their trading fees to token holders. Others reward users for participating in governance or contributing to the network in other ways.
Now, the key here is to do your research and identify legitimate projects with a solid track record.
Look for cryptocurrencies with a clear use case, a strong community, and a dedicated team behind them. Remember, not all that glitters is gold in the crypto world. There are plenty of scams and pump and dump schemes out there, so it's crucial to be discerning and invest with caution.
Finally, let's talk about masternodes. Now, this strategy is not for the faint of heart.
But the potential rewards can be significant. Think of a masternode as a specialized server that helps maintain a cryptocurrency's blockchain network.
These nodes perform critical functions like validating transactions, ensuring network security, and enabling advanced features. It requires a bit more technical expertise and a larger initial investment compared to other methods we've discussed.
To run a masternode, you typically need to hold a certain amount of the cryptocurrency, often a substantial sum. This acts as collateral and incentivizes node operators to act in the best interest of the network.
In return for running a masternode, you receive a portion of the block rewards. These rewards are generally much higher than what you earn from staking or lending.
Setting up and maintaining a masternode can be technically challenging. It requires some technical know-how, reliable hardware, and a constant internet connection.
However, there are services available that offer masternode hosting for those who want to participate without the technical hassle. These services handle the technical aspects for you, for a fee, of course.
So there you have it. From staking to running a masternode, there are multiple ways to earn passive income with cryptocurrency. Remember, the key is to start small, educate yourself, and diversify.
If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making money in the crypto market.
Remember, the crypto market is constantly evolving. New opportunities and strategies are emerging all the time.
Stay informed, do your research, and never be afraid to ask questions.
The world of cryptocurrency can be incredibly exciting and rewarding. By taking a measured and informed approach, you can position yourself to potentially achieve your financial goals.